How to pay credit card bill in CIBC Mobile Banking app. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to pay credit card bill in CIBC Mobile Banking app. Due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'm just going to instruct you. So all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, to pay your credit card bills, you have to log in into your CIBC account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from there go and select the menu tab from the top left hand side bar. As you click on the menu tab, you'll be able to see list of information or list of options available. Among those, you'll be able to see this option as bill payment. Go ahead and select that. As you click on bill payment, next interface, it's going to ask you to select the payee's address or the information and all that, and accordingly enter in the amount that you wish to pay and confirm it by going through all of the information that you provided. If you're sure about it, confirm it, and then you'll be notified that you've successfully paid credit card bills in CIBC Mobile Banking app. So that is how you can pay credit card bill in CIBC Mobile Banking app. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.